Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Wang. Here is the question. If x squared plus x plus 1 equal to 0, can you find 1 over x to the power 14 plus x to the power 14? First of all, consider a formula. X to the power 3 minus 1, we can factor this, use formula. It is equal to x minus 1 times x squared plus x plus 1. You can check this. This one equal to 0. Why? Because x squared plus x plus 1 is given. So this equal to 0. So this implies x to the power 3 minus 1 equal to 0. What does this mean? This means x to the power 3 equal to 1. Why we want to do this? Because 14 is a big number. We want to reduce the power from 14 to a smaller number. So we have too many 3's inside. So here, we simplify x to the power 14 as this, x to the power 12 times x squared. 12, why we pick 12? 12 because that's 12, that's a product of 3 times 4. So x to the power 3, which is 1, we can reduce it to 1. So here, 12 plus 2 is 14. Simplify here. This equal to x squared. This means x to the power 14 equals x squared. So we are here. Replace x to the power 14 by x squared. So here that's 1 over x squared plus x squared. What's the question? We want to find this. Right now, we need to find this. Here, 1 over x squared, x squared. The only given condition is here, x squared plus x plus 1. How to use this one? X is not 0. Why x is not 0? Check here. If x is 0, 0 plus 1, 1 equals 0, it's not true. So x is not 0. So for this given equation, both sides we can divide by x because x is not 0. Simplify both sides. So x squared divided by x, which is x. X divided by x, which is 1. 1 divided by x is here. And 0 divided by x is here. Then we have x plus 1 over x. This one moved to the right-hand side becomes negative 1. So we are here now. Question is, we want to find 1 over x squared plus x squared. Here is x plus 1 over x without square here. So how to convert this into this kind of form? That means put square here, square here. We can square both sides. So both sides as first term square plus 2 times first term times second term plus the last term square, which is negative 1 squared. It's positive 1. So here this x cancel each other. The second term is 2. So second term is 2. Move 2 to the right-hand side. That's 1 minus 2. So we have x squared plus 1 over x squared equals negative 1. So we find this x squared plus 1 over x squared, which is here. So what is the original question? Original question, we want to find this. So we need to find this. We find this is a negative 1. So we find the final answer is negative 1. Negative 1 is the final answer. Thanks for watching and see you next time.